Hello, and welcome to Part 2 of CompuTop's Video 1 on Computer Basics. In this video, we will go in-depth into the parts of a computer and why each part is important and needed. The base unit is the brain of the computer. It takes information from our keyboard and mouse, processes that information, and sends it out in the form of images, videos, or sound through the monitor and speakers. Laptops will not have a base unit because their brain is a small chip embedded within the laptop rather than a large tower. The base unit size can allow a desktop to store larger, faster, or more high-quality parts of a computer, which is why desktops are often preferred by people who need to do a lot of computing very quickly, like video gamers or computer programmers. Some desktops will not have a separate base unit, as it will be embedded in the computer like a laptop. However, most will. Both laptops and desktops have monitors or screens. A computer monitor is an output device, meaning it produces something for the computer rather than putting information into the computer that displays information as pictures, text, or video. This is the screen where you will be able to see what your computer is processing. The keyboard is the arrangement of letters, numbers, and symbols that you can use to input information into your computer. This is how you will type information into your computer. Though it can look a bit overwhelming, we will go over all the different parts of the keyboard later in the lesson, so don't worry. The mouse is the small, movable device that lets you change, control, and click things on your computer. The mouse can be attached to a laptop or desktop using a cable, or it can be wireless and connect using Bluetooth. A mouse will usually have two buttons, a main button and a secondary button, with a wheel separating them. Most mouses are designed for right-handed people to place their right pointer finger on the left button and their right middle finger on the right button. The main button will be the left button, and the secondary button will be the right button, unless you have a specific left-handed mouse. Both laptops and desktops can have a mouse. However, desktops need a mouse. Laptops can use their touchpad, something we will go over later, but many people prefer having a mouse. Speakers are an output device, meaning they create and produce something from the computer. They produce sound once they are told what to do by the computer. Most laptops have built-in speakers. However, most desktops do not and require you to connect speakers to hear sound. Some users add speakers to their laptops as well to create a clearer or louder sound, but it is not usually needed for laptops. Speakers will be outside the computer and are usually placed on the left and right of it for a more balanced sound. This concludes CompuTop's first lesson on computer basics. In the next lesson, we will go over how to get started with a laptop computer, including charging, turning it on and off, and more. Please click the next video in the series to learn more about laptops and how to use them. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.